Hello everyone, this video is about 8 tips for beginners using UV resin. I hope you find it helpful. Here's a UV resin tip. When using your UV resin light, take a piece of foil, fold it over several times, make sure it's the length of your UV light, and also make sure it's high enough that you can just make one little fold and secure it onto your light. Now what that does is it reflects the light, and it also helps with curing. And another reason is if you have a mixing bowl over here on the side, and say you have a color mixed up or it's just clear resin, this helps prevent it from curing. And this helps you also, like if you're working in small spaces like I am. So what it does is anything that's around that has not cured, or if you're making several pieces, they will not cure because you have that little door on it. Here's another tip. So when you're doing your curing, you can place them on top of a piece of cardboard which is covered with aluminum foil. And what this does is it helps reflect the light so that you get better curing, and also it helps you move it around easier. Here's a little tip about the micro powder. Now, if you don't want to get into too much expense, if you're just starting out, go to your local dollar store and buy powdered eyeshadow.